After a long drive down from Virginia, we moved the boat from the yard to a marina and got busy unpacking. I felt so lucky to be able to share this time with my dear older brother, my son, and his wife. The new dinghy has a very powerful motor and it takes a little while to get used to it. Sandra made these beautiful cushions for us and installed them. This heavy-duty arch was added to support our solar array, as well as being able to lift our dinghy and heavy motor with a block and tackle. We got a cool light installed, and we can check our solar and battery status on our phones at any time. After days filled with hard work, we had to recharge our own batteries. Then the septic exploded all over our bathroom. That took most of a day to solve.
That blew off under the pressure, being overfilled perhaps, and splattered there and inside of the door and into the shower. So this is the vent hose, and this is the other end, and that's the outlet to the outside, and this is the vent hose that was outside, and it's just corroded too much in there to let anything pass through. So we're gonna soak it in vinegar and see if that will and use a wire and try to get that opened up.
Tom assembled this heavy-duty, oversized 105-pound anchor, and we got it installed to keep us from dragging in heavy winds. We found a great place to install our 6-man life raft in case we ever sink.
And I put an extension string on there already.
And one pop, boom, it goes.
Open that, give a little push.
Reach down, there's a thing, yank it straight out or up is fine, and it's gone just like we showed before.
Solar charged fairy lights are a must-have. On our final day, there was still a lot to do. Mike had rebuilt our mainsail furling screw, but no one had noticed that some of the parts in the main mast furling system were broken. We decided we could replace them later.
Keep going, keep going. All right, hold on, hold up, hold up. Okay, little bit, little bit. Well, I'm gonna put this.
Brent, can you pull the mast over towards me? I'm just gonna put this on hold.
The mast or the boom?
Boom, thank you.
That's what I thought.
I know. Do that all the time. All right, anyway, that's up, furled up nicely. Plates are kind of in place, and we are just waiting for the yacht rigger to come back with a bolt attaching the gooseneck. It's too loose. It's the wrong bolt. It doesn't tighten up enough there, so we'll get that done. But otherwise, we are on the dock and just need to go fuel and do a test sail and get the heck out of Dodge.
Purely a mistake.
Oh, that's it. No, it's fine.
Because I have mine right here.
If we get bored, we'll do it later. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. I think that's it. And we got some nuts we can work on that with. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hopefully we'll be good and gone here soon. We'll see. Okay, so I've taken this out and we're gonna just slide this thing. It still doesn't work. How do we get this line in there? We have to undo the whole thing. So,
Wait.
oh, we can undo this. Yeah. Okay. All right. just got to take the bolt out. Yeah, do you want to do it? Well, let's do that for you to do. So, yeah, if you want to come out on this back end, I'll be on the front end. We may be tossing lines to people. I don't know.
Maneuvering a 20,000-pound boat at slow speeds is very difficult and nerve-wracking. Bo does a great job here.
Use forward momentum and bow thrusters to take it in and turn it in.
Okay.
And then we can rotate it out from there. So just let it go a little bit further. You could start with some forward,
Yeah, I definitely lost my steerage.
Bow out, rotate the boat. Hello, how are you?
It was 200 amps.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah, that bow thruster gives me so many words.
Oh my god, yeah. That is diesel, right? Alright.
Say goodbye to Sailor's Wharf, to Salt Creek, to the Harborage, to St. Petersburg. We are out of here.
2.5 knots.
Yeah, but look at your wake.
3.6.
That's what we're talking about.
3.7.
Bye. 3.8.
St. Pete in the distance.
Everything seemed to be working well, so we started tacking south through Tampa Bay and heading for the open Gulf.